So something you need to notice here is that the bases of these questions are different. This is base 3 and this is actually base 9. So meaning for you to work out this question, you have to ensure that the bases are the same. So we're going to employ one of the law of change of base. So if you can see here, if you have log a base b, for you to change to a different base that you are interested with, you have to write log of this number that is here divide by log of this number, which is the base in this case. Then you introduce the new bases that you want. So in that case, we are going to say that this is going to be a log of x base 3 plus, we need to convert this log x to base 3. So this is going to be log x over log 9. Then we are going now to introduce the new base that we are interested with. This is going to be base 3 and this base 3. But this 9 that we have at this point here, this 9 that we have here can be written as 3 power 2. So meaning where we are going to have our number equal to 12, and then we're going to have this as log x base 3 plus log x base 3 over, this can be written as 2 log, let me just not skip a step here, we can be able to write this as log of 3 squared base 3. So remember, there is this law number 3, this law number 3. So if you have log m power n base a, you can be able to take the value n, the power behind the log. You can be able to take the number 2 behind the log, so we end up having our 12 at this particular point, and this becomes log of x base 3 plus log x base 3 over 2 log 3 base 3. And then according to this log that we have at this particular point, remember we have learned a law that log of a base a is actually 1. So meaning all of this number that we have here is going to be 1. So this is going to reduce to this is actually equal to 12, and this is going to be log x base 3. Yeah, so let me just write somewhere here. This will end up being, let me see if there is enough space we can write here. This end up being log x base 3 plus log x base 3 over 2, because all of this becomes 1, then the number 2 remains, and then we say this is equivalent to 12. So the next thing you are going to do at this particular point is to multiply by 2 all through. So we shall end up having 2 log x base 3 plus log x base 3 equals to 24. Yeah, so this means that this is going to reduce to 3 log x base 3 equals to 24, meaning we can now take these 3 on top of x. So this is going to be log x cubed base 3 equals to 24. Now you can write in index notation, and this is going to become what? This is the base, so this is going to be x power 3 equals to 3 raised to 24. So meaning that this can simplify to, in order to remove this power 3 here, you can multiply by a third and a third on this side. So we end up having x equals to 3 raised to power 8. And actually now that is the answer for that case. So you can be able to maybe find the exact value of 3 power 8 and check really what the final answer is. So for you to answer a question to do with logarithm, the best thing to do is to remember all these laws that we have here, and then it will be very easy for you to work out this question. Yeah. So I just want to check how can we be able to write 3 raised to power 8. 3 power 8 is actually 65, 61, as is written here, 65, 61. So we can be able to say now our final answer for this case is 65, 61 for that case.